Shenzhen Tronxy Technology Company Limited was established in 2015, focuses on China, and extends to the whole 3D printing market of the world. We offer 3D printers and 3D printer filaments, brand logo customize, plan and all-the-way creation services. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We also provided 3D printing solutions. Based on our proficiency in technical skills and rich experience, we dedicate ourselves to the providing high-quality 3D printer and 3D printer filaments. Located by Shenzhen City, based on its familiarity with the market trend and its customer-oriented services, Tronxy 3D can understand precisely and timely what you need and then provide a solution, offer creative designs, create products of economy, functional, and fashion with limited resources. With professional personnel accompanying you to ensure that let you experience professional 3D printing services anytime, anywhere. Manufacturing factory is located in the Shenzhen, in the Guangdong district, with an area of thousands of square meters and convenient overseas transportation. Tronxy is a member of Alibaba First Class Member. Since its establishment, it has been pursuing sincere cooperation and common development with all walks of the society with the principle of your satisfaction, our pursuit. Our goal is to let everyone experience 3D printing technology, create dreams, and realize dreams. Future Print for Dream.